a Bible and a sparkler in his hand. He was holding a tent revival and running a fireworks stand. Said the end of the world is coming, you better get on your knees. It ain't bottle rockets a 2-for-1, but salvation's free. Cause I left my job at the big church where the milk and money flowed. Sell cherry bombs for Jesus on a tent beside the road. I ain't in it for the money, most cars they drive on by, but I pay the rent on New Year's and the 4th of July. Here at the Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, fire and brimstone, Mission Temple fireworks stand. Said fireworks are dangerous, they can blow up in your face. You better read the instructions like the fuse and get away. So he said, Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, fire and brimstone, Mission Temple fireworks stand. He says everything I'm selling is going up in smoke. The world is like an atom bomb, it's ready to explode. When the trumpet sounds and the Lord comes back, I'll promise you one thing. I'll be a human bottle rocket, and I'll go out with a bang. I'll leave this Holy Ghost, Big Bang Theory, Pentecostal, fire and brimstone, Mission Temple fireworks, Mission Temple fireworks, Mission Temple fireworks stand. Y'all been great. And let's hear it for the finger snapping.
Carson's Grove, keep it going, please, from JC. And shameless plug. It's finger bangers, I'm so sorry. Earmuffs kids. All right, that's